back to my channel. My name is Ivy. So today we're not going to be cooking. I'm not in the kitchen, as you can see. Today I'm sitting down. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Okay, so today I wanted to come and show you guys how I do my hair now, my natural kinky hair. Sometimes I do braids, I add mesh to my hair and braid it, but sometimes this is how I keep my hair. So I'm going to be taking off everything and I'll show you how I do it. I twist it and the importance of how to maintain your hair for a better growth. Okay, I'm going to give you all tips, important tips, secrets, because I'm the real deal. You understand? You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So guys, as you can see, I wash my hair and I blow dry my hair and I had it in twists. Next time I'm going to show you when I wash my hair, my kinky hair and everything. Now I'm untwisting it to moisturize it. I'll show you all the oils that I use. Moisturize. Normally I wash my hair and I blow dry my hair. I use the hand dryer with the comb. It's okay once in a while. Sometimes if you need to trim the ends, you use this one, blow dry, so you can get the ends smooth and twist it. When I finish taking off the braids, I'll show you the whole hair, how it's like, and then we'll start twisting. Okay, I washed and twisted my hair, I think 28. You know our hair is dry, so you don't need to be washing it all the time. That's why I'm taking it off to put oils in it and then retwist it back. Maybe after 3 weeks or a month, I'll wash it again. My hair was just this length and I used mesh. I braided and braided and braided, and now it's like this. So you can also do it chemical. It's not good for our hair. Embrace your natural hair that God gave you. You see this hair right here? This is all my natural hair. My family, we have big hair. Nicole, or whatever you want to call me, she got her big hair from here, right here. And brownies, you guys know brownies?
Brownies. Who's going to eat you?
Brownies. She got her big hair too from here, from her mama. So sometimes, like, you're going somewhere for an appointment in like a week's time, you can just wash your hair, blow dry, twist it, and then after 3 days you take it off again and do it. And then by the week, when your date is up to go for the appointment, you take it off. And look at this, you just go to your appointment. It's nice. Or you find some clips and do some little stuff, clip, and you're gone, just to get it stretched and a little light. And then you can do some styles. So you guys, you see how my hair, can you see my face? No, jungle. So now, before we move on to the next step, I just finished taking this twist out myself. I'm tired, so I need a little snack, right? I'm enjoying myself now. I want to tell you guys a little trick. If you don't do it, please start from today. Your hair right here, guys, tell me, when did you massage your scalp and talk to your hair like, oh my God, my hair is nice, my hair is healthy, my hair is thick, ooh, I love my hair? Yeah, you talk to your hair. And hold on, at least every 4 days or once a week, any oil, you can put it in a bowl, dip all your 10 fingers inside, take it inside your hair, touch your scalp and massage. I'm telling you the truth. When was the last time you massaged your hair? So when you have time and you are home, even on your bed or you're reading a book, take your time and massage your scalp. It promotes hair growth. My daughter, I taught her how to take care of her hair. I do it for her, but now she does everything herself and she listens to me. So guys, I'm coming to start twisting my hair now. So you see, I took all the braids. I used the shea butter when I washed my hair already, so I don't need it again, but just to make it easy for me, I put it here so I can tap my hand inside while I'm twisting. Okay, so let's start. So I just take little section like this, and then I add some little oil. You comb gently, okay? Don't just do this no. So then I just twist it. After it's all braided, I will tie it anyhow I want, do any styles, and that's it. So guys, as you can see, this is the last one I'm doing. I'm twisting. Yay, I'm done. It took me like an hour and maybe 20 minutes to do it. Yeah, but I'm done with it. I'm happy. Yay. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm done twisting my hair. Yeah, I put some oil in the scalp, I massage, and then I retwisted it, and so now I'm good for another 2 weeks without touching my hair, or let's say another 3 weeks before I wash it again, and then condition and put all my oils and massage and rebraid it for another month. So this is how I do my hair. I can go everywhere with this hair, and I can do styles to it. You see, sometimes I tie it, sometimes I do so many things. I can take all back like this and pin it, and pin this side too. I do styles. I pin it well, and then I leave it. See, I mean, there are so many things you can do to your hair. When you do your hair, as I told you from beginning, talk to your hair, how you want your hair to be. Just talk to it. Love your hair, you know, appreciate your hair. Tell your hair is beautiful, you love it and everything. And please massage. And this is how I do my hair. I don't do anything to it. I blow dry and then I twist it, and I'm good to go. So you better like, subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, today I wasn't in the kitchen, but if you are new here, I always come on with my kitty. You guys, you can see my kitty is still here with me. And what is the time now? It's like 10:24. I came on here to show you how I do my hair, how you can talk to your hair, and how you can do things to it to grow faster. Okay, bam, I'm done. Bye.